National Award for the year 1996 in the category of Socio-Medical Relief goes to Professor Dr. Sridhar Shetty. Professor N. Sridhar Shetty was born in July 1941. He obtained his BDS degree in 1965 and joined the faculty at Government Dental College, Bangalore as assistant professor. He became the professor of orthodontics at A.B. Shetty Memorial Institute of Dental Sciences, Bangalore. He has been carrying out oral and dental health education and treatment to lakhs of people free of cost. The management committee of Dr. B.C. National Award Fund, in recognition of his services, has great pleasure in selecting him for the award under the category of Socio-Medical Relief. Dr. Sridhar Shetty.
If it is just one line, I would define or describe our most beloved and respected Sridhar Shetty sir as a man with a golden heart.
Professor Dr. N. Sridhar Shetty, my teacher, mentor and guide. It was a long journey of 36 years in dentistry along with you, sir. On this occasion, I will wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Robin Hood of A.B. Shetty. Sir, you're always the best.
Sridhar Shetty Dental College. I think it's a synonymous name to our prestigious A.B. Shetty Dental College.
Dr. Sridhar Shetty, I would say, is a towering personality who has single-handedly made A.B. Shetty Dental College one of the finest dental institutions in the country.
Professor Sridhar Shetty, fondly known as the Bhishma Pitamaha of the dentistry. We are very lucky to have him as the founder principal of this one of the prestigious colleges in the country.
Love, affection and commitment. Happy birthday, sir.
Dynamic leader.
Magnanimous. A man of conscience.
Dynamic.
Sir is very passionate. Sir has been a father figure and a disciplinarian which paved the way for us to be a better human being.
Paropakarattam idam shariram. Happy birthday, sir. For me, Sridhar Shetty sir has been a person who has always analyzed his students' strengths and weaknesses and always made sure that their strengths are explored more and they come out successful and do well in their career. Thank you, sir, for helping me out with my ups and downs. Happy birthday to you again, sir.
Happy birthday, sir. When they ask me to describe you in one word, there's no words to describe. There are a lot of things to tell about you. A main reason for me to join A.B. Shetty is the one person, Dr. Sridhar Shetty. He helped me all through my career and I still think you as my role model and I look upon you forever.
Happy birthday to one of the most charming, dynamic and ever-young personality, that is Dr. Sridhar Shetty. Happy birthday, sir.
In my view, I think sir should be described as a great leader with a great heart and a visionary is all that I have.
Wish you a very happy birthday, sir.
Hello, sir. Wishing you a very happy birthday and many more years of good health and happiness. Your teachings are like beautiful footprints that have been etched in our hearts and minds forever. Thank you for everything.
Sir, Lion King.
Inspirational teacher.
A man with a vision. Ferocious.
Good morning. Sir was our principal when we were students and there can never be another one like him. He will and will always remain our principal.
There is a quote saying that a good heart always keeps you beautiful forever. But for sir, I will say a good heart keeps you beautiful and young forever.
Father figure to all the students.
Happy birthday, sir, to the most kind-hearted, humorous
witty leader that we have. Thank you.
Sir has been a father figure for me and tremendous support throughout my career.
Sridhar Shetty sir is a born visionary and a father figure for everyone. He is a godfather for all the young and energetic students as well as staff members. Happy birthday, sir.
Guru Janmadinasya Shubhashayaha. Wishing you health, peace and happiness always, dear sir.
This is Sharita Ballal wishing you a very happy 80th birthday, sir. Have a wonderful day and a year ahead. God bless you with good health, happiness and prosperity all your life. Keep blessing us, sir. Thank you.
Many happy returns of the day, dear sir. Birthday wishes and prayers. God bless you. Wishing you a long life and Shri Kumar.
Happy birthday, sir. Wishing you a healthy and a long life. Anudeep Singh.
Every happy returns of the day, yes, sir. Jyoti.
Happy birthday, sir. This is Lavina wishing you good health and happiness.
Hi, sir. Wishing you a great birthday and all the good health and happiness.
Happy birthday, dear sir. This is Jaymor Varghese. May the Almighty shower His choicest blessings upon you, sir.
Happy birthday, sir. Wish you a wonderful day and a great year. Accept my warmest wishes and congratulations on this milestone birthday. Have a great day, sir.
Happy birthday, sir. This is Saju Raju.
Hey, sir. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Stay blessed always.
Happy birthday, sir. Dr. Manu George Panigan.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, dear sir. May God bless you with lots of love, happiness and health. Stay blessed.
Sir, wishing you a very happy 80th birthday and definitely many more to follow, and wishing you every happiness and joy for years to come. Stay blessed, sir. Dr. Babita and family. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, sir. Regards, A.V. Sri Kumar.
Dear sir, wish you a happy birthday and a healthy, long life.
Happy birthday, dear sir. This is Elizabeth here, wishing you all the happiness in life.
Sir, wishing you a very happy birthday. Stay happy, stay healthy, sir.
Hello, I am Stephen Lee from Malaysia. I'm here to wish you, my beloved principal, Dr. Sridhar Shetty, a very happy birthday. And I pray that God bless you a wondrous years ahead. Thank you for guiding us and pray that God bless your family, and we wish you all the best in the years come. Thank you again for teaching us the batch 87, and we really have a wondrous learning from you. Thank you. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Dr. Sridhar Shetty. Wish you good health and happiness. Shine and Susan.
Sir, this is Shobha D'Souza wishing you a very happy birthday.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, sir. A special birthday on your reaching a milestone of 80. May God bless you with good health, happiness, and may you live to score a century. God bless, take care, and have a lovely life.
Many happy returns of the day, dear sir. This is me, Beena. God bless you and stay safe, sir.
Sir, I am Rajendran from Kerala. Today is your birthday, sir. Happy birthday, you. Sadayushman Bhava.
Happy birthday to you, sir, from Sharad Rewardekar.
Happy birthday, sir. You are a special person with hundreds of stories to tell and who care your students like a father.
Dear sir, wishing you a very happy birthday. This is Sonali from London. We, the batch of 87, are totally indebted to you for the love you have showered on us and the knowledge you have imparted on us over the years. Please accept my gratitude, my love, and my respects. Wishing you a wonderful year ahead, filled with love, laughter, and good health.
Sir, this is Ayuna Rita Patel wishing you a very happy birthday. May God bless you abundantly with good health and happiness. Feliz cumpleaños.
First, let me wish Dr. Sridhar Shetty a very happy and blessed 80th birthday. I know him for the past 30 years. I was posted as Chief Engineer in Konkan Railway in 93 end. Afterwards, I came on promotion as Chief Administrative Officer in Indian Railways. And at present, I am advisor to Namma Metro, Bangalore. So our association and fellowship continued. Even before joining in some forums, I met him. For I know him as a very sincere, hardworking, and above all, very strict disciplinarian. He has got a concern for the poor. So he conducted, I have witnessed many mega camps, workshops, melas, everything, whatever you call, and people were reached. Mostly dental care, not only the filling or the minor teeth extraction and other procedures, but the complete set even was given for the, he was adopting the entire village and fully treated in just few days. The full set was given in a day, but that was amazing. It was something like a dental medical miracle only, I should say. That much passion he had, and he should involve all the students and the faculty and even others, well-wishers like us. And in fact, I have organized some camps for him. One such camp was the 97 50th year of our independence. August, Railway organized a coach with the Mahatma Gandhi's photos and things like that. See, Railway arranged one special coach to commemorate the 50th year of our independence, and a coach with all Gandhian photos and principles written. It was sent to various big cities, and Udupi was one, and I was the chief engineer Udupi in Konkan Railway. Therefore, I talked to Professor whether if I provide something, whether we could have a mobile dental camp during that occasion. So he readily obliged. He, along with his full team, came. For it was a real great day. The Gandhian, many people, Gandhis were there with all, dressed and other things. Political people were there, and the public came for witnessing the exhibition. It was a mobile exhibition, and in addition, this was also conducted. We had a great day, thanks to Dr. Shetty's vision, willingness. He has a kind heart. He has been helping financially also people. For that, I must acknowledge my son. His name is Dr. Sunil Richardson. He had the privilege of studying undergraduate as well as postgraduate in maxillofacial and oral surgery under Professor Dr. Sridhar Shetty. Now he is a good doctor. I thank him profusely for that.
Sridhar Shetty sir, a very, very, very happy birthday wishes to you from myself and from all of us here. As I sit before you and address you today, I'm really overwhelmed with a lot of emotions when it takes me back to many, many years, back to the 1986 when I joined the institute as a novice, as an undergraduate, and you had taken me under your wings and nurtured us like many other students, nurtured me like many of the other students you have. And you taught us values in life besides the wonderful dentistry that you all taught us and made us what we are today. So we are, sir, indebted to you in a lot many ways which words can't express. I'm sure I'm expressing the sentiments of a lot many of our students who have passed out under you from the famous prestigious institute of the A.B. Shetty Institute of Dental Sciences in Bangalore. So my heartfelt thanks and gratitude, sir, to you. Seek all your blessings, continued blessings in the in the future too. Stay healthy, stay happy. Once again, let me, on behalf of myself, my family, and the class of 86 where I belong to, wish you a very, very, very happy birthday wishes. Thank you, sir. Take care.
Dear sir, happy birthday and my best wishes. Always I am very proud to tell that I am your student. Have gained a lot of knowledge, academic skill and administrative skill by working under you, sir. God bless you with good health and long life. Thank you, sir.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್. ಈರೆನ 80 ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಪರ್ಬಗ್ ಎನ್ನ ಹೃದಯದಿಂದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಯಾನ ಈರೆನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ 36 ವರ್ಷ ಎ.ಬಿ. ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಸೇವೆ ಮಲ್ತನ ಸಮಯಡು ಈರೆನ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಮರಪೆರೆನೇ ಇಚ್ಚಿ ಈರೆಗ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಆಯುಷ್ಯ ಸಂತೋಷ ದೇವರು ಸದಾ ಅನುಗ್ರಹಿಸಡು. ಈರೆನ ಜೋಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಎಂಚಾಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಪಂಡದು ಕೊರಡು ಪನ್ಪುನ ವಿದ್ಯೆನು ಯಾನು ಸದಾ ನೆನಪು ದೀಪೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
Hello sir, happy birthday Sridhar Shetty. I may not be physically present to stand by you while you cut your cake, but will always be with you in your thoughts. Love you sir. Have a very, very happy birthday. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, sir. Your dedication, determination and vision inspire us to always give our best. I appreciate having someone wonderful like you at the helm of affairs. You make me look forward to coming to work every day. This is because of you have a heart and soul of a real rock star. This is because you have such a magnetic character and you motivate me to be the best. Sir, I wish you very happy birthday and pray you to continue being a wonderful personality and prosperous, healthy life ahead. I also wish you a long and fulfilling life filled with joy and happiness.
Hi Sridhar Shetty sir, I wish you a very happy birthday to you. May God bless you abundantly with all good health and prosperity. I owe you. You are one of the amazing professors and mentors I've come across. God bless you sir. Thank you.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. On the occasion of my beloved professor Dr. N. Sridhar Shetty's 80th birthday, I would like to wish him a very, very happy birthday to you sir. Dr. Sridhar Shetty has been a great teacher, innovator and administrator. My association with him has been for the last 25 years and it has been a very, very fruitful and very pleasant experience that we have had. Sir, you have been a very big inspiration for us in our lives, and whatever programs that you have included in our curriculum and created for us during our UG course and our PG course by introducing newer concepts like rural health care centers and programs, you have given us enormous exposure, which I'm really happy that it has carried us a long way. Those programs that you have introduced to us, wherein we had to we had to stay in the rural health centers in the rural area where there was hardly any access to dental care. Really sir, we have benefited a lot out of that. It has developed in us an exposure to the rural economy, rural culture, and this program has been a very important program because it has not only benefited us as dentists in terms of exposure, it has also benefited the rural community. So it was a two-way benefit program, which was a wonderful thing that I fully support. I hope that your endeavor to propagate this idea on a national level is extremely successful, and we are all there with you sir for this. I wish you a very, very happy birthday and thank you very much sir.